This video is going to look at how you can customize adaptable no code. A quick refresher, the adaptable no code is a way of setting up an instance of adaptable at runtime. You can drag and drop a spreadsheet, a JSON file, and then you've immediately got your own fully featured working adaptable instance with all the functionality involved. And let's do that very quickly now. This is all from our documentation site. So in this example here, we've got a file we're going to load. So we're going to download this file, orders.json. And then what we can do is we can drag and drop this JSON file, or it could be an Excel file, into the no-code wizard like this. The wizard then reads that file. In fact, let's make this full screen so we can see it better. The wizard reads the file, it works out the columns, it guesses what it thinks should be the primary key, and then you can then set up other options. We won't go into it now. You can do some AG grid options, you can set up different UI elements, you can set up your permissions, and now you've got an adaptable instance, and now you can then do anything you want with it. So for instance, if you want to change those decimal places to be just say 2 fraction digits, you can do that, and then there we are, and that will load next time you go back to the same no code version. It will remember anything you've changed. So if you change the theme or you add conditional styles, it will all be done for you. So that's the no code, but the real purpose behind this video is to answer a question which we got from one of our users, was can they change that first step of the wizard? So rather than dragging and dropping a file, can they connect to their data source? And the answer is yes, you can. You can configure no code so that that first stage of the wizard can be a custom one where you provide as whatever you want. In fact, you can add as many steps as you want, so you can hook into various data sources, run queries, use kind of any type of query language you want in order to get your data. So let's again go full screen. And in this example here, we've changed that first stage of the wizard from being the drag and drop to one called data source. And in our example here, we've just added 2 basic data sources, one of some cars and one of some athletes. But obviously, as I say, you can make this as complicated as you want by running your own kind of queries and getting your data. And then the rest of it works exactly the same. So in this example here, we've selected cars. You choose your primary key. In this case, it will be the ID. You can then choose some adaptable options. You can choose some AG grid options. You can also choose any entitlements. And now when we finish, there we are. We've got those cars, which is the AG grid demo version. And there we are. So that's the no code. You can either drag and drop a file like we saw in the first example, or where you might need a little bit of work at design time to get it running, you can overload essentially that first wizard with the first step of the wizard with one of your own, where you can hook up to any data and provide as much custom rendering as you want in order to get the data ready. So that's adaptable no code. Hope it was interesting. If you'd like to learn more, please get in touch with us. We'll be delighted to provide you with a free, no obligation trial license or give you a one-to-one demo. We look forward to hearing from you.